installation process starts from preparation of the banding kit, stainless steel band, banding tool, stainless steel buckles. First, measure the stainless steel band. Second, cut the band by banding tool MBT. And third, allocate and fix the buckle on the band, as shown. Fourth, attach the band to the pole with appropriate bracket. That's what you plan to use. And fix the band using the tool and hammer. Six, use the handle to cut the steel band. Last, use the hammer to bend the wings to fix the band. Welcome to Contact for more information.